Hello, hello, and a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So how is everyone feeling today? Doing good? Excellent, excellent. Welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise. By the way, my name is Chandra, and I am a raptor ranger. My team and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds. So great.
Hi, I'm Shava. The we conduct rescue and release efforts to help take care of the birds here. And today we are going to introduce you to some of our favorite predators on wings.
So ladies and gentlemen, if you're all set, hives right up there, let's welcome Susie, our American bald eagle. Nice landing there. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Susie has been with us for 25 years. Her powerful talents and feet make her an unmatched huntress.
That's right. The Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms, and yet at high speed, she can lift a prey that can weigh up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
That's right. Well, here's an interesting fact about the bald eagle's nest. They build really huge nests. And you're wondering how big it is about 10 feet wide. Well, let's take this thumb as a marker, right? Now that would be about 10 feet and 20 feet high. 3 times my height. Pretty impressive, right?
Impressive indeed. And I believe Susie has done well. It is time for her to take back home. A big round of applause for female bald eagle.
Shawal?
Yes.
Hear that call?
Ah, that's a familiar call. And look right up there. Sea eagle. These birds can be found in Southeast Asia and one of the few raptors to spot in Singapore.
Well, one-bellied sea eagles and other sites, which label the snakes, these birds are specialists in catching venomous rabbit sea creeks. So today, Elsa will be doing a little demonstration. We have a replica of a sea crate, and he's ready to toss it into the pond. Let's see if he's able to snatch it away from the surface.
Here we go.
Whoa! That was very impressive. There you go. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who did not missed it, alright, not to worry. Take a look at the big screen. We have a replay. Impressive, right? Another big round of applause on Nelson.
You know, Chandra, that's why white-bellied sea eagles are my favorite birds of prey to spot and skies in Singapore.
Well, Shawal, that is another bird of prey that I really like. It's very commonly found in Singapore, and that would be the brown-winged kite. So everyone, let's welcome Sapphire. Over here, Sapphire. Whoa! Look at that. Playing deep down and maneuverable in flight. Well, these brownie kites are big-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. Alright? Birds like Sapphire can actually snatch food from a bird as big as Nelson. Okay? There you go. And if you walk around Mandai, you look up, this is how they look in the sky. So it's easy for all of you to identify them. Okay, Sapphire, you want to take a short flight over here? Nice glide down. She has got a beautiful glide. Oh, very nice, landing. There you go.
And of course, it's easy to spot the differences between the two birds. And the size is the obvious difference. But there is also the coloration and the shape of their wings. Now, white-bellied sea eagle have a V-shaped wing and a wedge-shaped tail.
Whereas for the brownie kites, they are brownish in color, they have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. Well, Sapphire, thank you very much. So you've done pretty well. And right now it's time to get back home as well. Was that away? Good girl. Oh. Not to worry. Oh, she wants to show off some more. Let's give her another big round of applause, everyone.
Europe and Asia to Africa. It's a perilous journey and thousands never make it to their destination.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thousands of these birds are being killed for sport. So we will need your help to save and protect these birds. Or our skies will soon be empty.
Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They remove all sick animals and get rid of pests. And one bird in particular helps us with pest control. But that bird is the owl. And the rodents they hunt never hear them coming. Because owls are masters of silent flight. And with that, let's welcome Latte from Fish Owl and Soren, the barred owl.
Well, Shiva, you mentioned about silent flight.
That's right.
Well, the reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have very soft edge tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers, hence making them able to fly very silently. Well, that's not the only, that's not it.
No.
Another thing too. By the way, owls have got exceptional eyesight, binocular vision.
That's right, now talking about vision, the colors of their eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. The owls with yellow color eyes, they tend to hunt during the day. The owls with orange eyes, they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. The owls with black eyes, they tend to hunt during the night. And with that, let's say thank you and goodbye to our lovely owls, Latte and Soren.
And moving along, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when we talk about birds of prey, many of us think that they like to spend a lot of time high up in the air searching or hunting for food. Well, did you know that there are some birds of prey that prefer to spend most of their time on the forest ground foraging for food? Well, the next one that's going to make its way out is going to show you just that. Now, I'm talking about the southern crested caracara. These birds look like falcons, okay, they have powerful beaks and talons, but they also behave like vultures and feed on carrion. As you can see, Xiao was just preparing the props earlier on. So if you're all set, everyone, let's welcome Raul, our southern crested caracara. Over here, Mr. Raul. There you go. Now these birds are extremely intelligent and also inquisitive as well, as you can see. Right over here, sir. Good boy, thank you. There you go. Now he's got long legs and flat claws, right? Watch how he goes about foraging for food.
Now, southern crested caraparas are known to raid nests and even steal food from other birds. And right now, he's keeping himself busy, rolling the rocks, or even the tree bugs in search of insects. One more right here. Wow, and not only that, these birds are wrong right here. These birds are going to be able to make vertical flights into the air to catch it, just like this. Awesome. One more. Here we go. Almost. Wow.
Well, Sheila, let me show you how it's done. Right?
Okay,
Now,
fine. Off you go,
over here, one.
right there.
Come around, right over here. That's it. Left to them. Much higher! Whoa! Look at that! Alright, he's done pretty well. And right now it's time for him to head back home as well. Thank you, sir. Home is that way. Everyone say bye-bye, Raul! Nice one. Another big round of applause for everyone. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, birds like Raul, right, are not capable of carcasses. So they will need the help of bigger friends, right? Bigger bird friends like vultures. Well, talking about vultures, they're usually portrayed as evil and they're very misunderstood, by the way. Take a look at the TV. When you see vultures on TV, they're usually soaring high up in the sky with ominous music in the background and a sense of impending doom. Well, we are here to tell you a real story.
That's right. The vultures are nature's cleanup crew. They use columns of air to glide and fly as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. Vultures prevent the spread of diseases.
So everyone, let's welcome Zena, turkey vulture. Turkey vultures can be found in the Americas and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. Now these vultures, or the turkey vultures, have an extremely good sense of smell. They are able to pick up the stench of rotting carcasses from miles away.
That means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. The other vultures move closer to do the hard work and rip apart the tough hide of the carcass.
And by the way, here's an interesting fact about the turkey vulture. Their stomach acid is acidic as battery acid, battery acid. So this actually helps them digest carrion better, right? Thank you very much, Zena. Time for you to head back home. That way. Alright, see you later. You don't want to go back home? You know what she's waiting for? Big round of applause. Hope it's that way. Okay, we'll just. Okay, it's calling for you. Joe's calling for you. Bye-bye. Alright, folks, in the meantime, please take the seat. Try not to move around too much. There you go. See you later. Okay, I tell you what. I'm going to place her on the third right over here. Okay. You want to go back home? Joe's calling for you. Bye-bye. See you later. You don't want to go back home. And she wants to show off her wings. Look at that. So ladies and gentlemen, since Zena is still out here, very quickly, we saw her walking with her wings wide open, right? How long do you think her wingspan is? Roughly? 1 meter, 2 meter? It's about 1.5. Okay? Okay, thank you, Zena. You can go home now. Hope is that away? Good job. Alright, just calling you. Bye-bye. We got more vulture friends to show everyone. Okay, now we round of applause. So folks, you see a vulture from the Americas. Well, the next one making its way out is an Asian vulture species. In fact, he was actually rescued right here in Singapore. So everyone, hold your breath and behold the mighty Genghis, our Himalayan griffon vulture. Everyone, let me share a story about Genghis over here. Back in 2005, young Himalayan griffon vulture was on its migratory route from the Tibetan plateau all the way to Thailand for winter. Alright? During the migratory route, this bird was actually found very weak and dehydrated right here in Singapore, in Orchard Road. So the authorities contacted us and we managed to rescue him and nurse him back to good health.
Well, unfortunately, Genghis suffered an injury that prevented him to be released back into the wild. So he is now a special member of our raptor family, and he really lives up to his name, Genghis. So let's give a big round of applause out to Honda.
feasting on a huge carcass, stripping it down to bones.
But vultures are social species and they respect their place in the pecking order. When vultures gather, there's a feeding protocol.
So, let's welcome our first vultures to the feast, the African white-backed vultures. Ladies and gentlemen, the African white-backed vultures can be found in Africa, and these birds are pretty aggressive feeders. About 100 to 200 vultures can strip down a carcass within minutes. That's how fast they are. But unfortunately, the African white-backed vultures are critically endangered species.
And the next course is the ligaments and the hide of the animal. The enter the cignarius vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Now, unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary except when they mate and hatch. And they also prefer to feed on carcasses in a smaller group. Now, our male, right back there, he has strong gripping feet with large talons and good feet, which help to rip apart the tough hide of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
There you go. Well, Cheryl,
yes,
don't we have two more scavengers to introduce?
We do!
That's right. So, folks, everyone, do take a seat. All right, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome our Manabu star. And right back there. Ladies and gentlemen, our Manabu stars from Africa. In the wild, these birds are known to coexist with vultures, where they will feed on a huge carcass. By the way, these birds have dagger-like beaks and a stern old man face.
But they cooperate and coexist with the vultures, joining them in the feast. The 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up about 70% of the continent's carrion. We would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
Throughout the world, we are losing these birds at an alarming rate due to various reasons like deforestation, poisoning, electrocution. So, conservation efforts would be the only way to save these birds from extinction. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us all show our support for these wonderful birds who keep our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
So today you met raptors and scavenger birds. Well, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. Now if we lose them, we lose part of our family.
Well, thank you very much everyone for joining us today. So let us all live in harmony with predators on the way. Thank you very much. With that, we have come to the end of our presentation. Alright, our next presentation will be at 5 p.m. We have the Wings of the World. For those of you who missed the 12:31, alright, don't fret. We have another show at 5 p.m. right over here at the Sky Amphitheatre, Wings of the World show. Okay, have a great day in the park, everyone. Thank you so much and goodbye.